In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy keys on UniSwap. We'll walk through the UniSwap web app together so you can swap into the keys token with confidence, even if this is your first time using a decentralized exchange. Start by opening app uniswap.org in your browser. On the homepage, look for the trade option and open it to reach the trading interface. From there, choose swap to bring up the simple two-box view that shows what you're selling on top and what you're buying on the bottom. In the sell box, select the token you want to trade from. Click the token name to open the selector and pick the asset you already hold in your wallet, such as a common base token. With that chosen, enter the amount you're comfortable swapping. You'll immediately see a live quote update below with estimated output, fees, and price impact so you can gauge what you'll receive. Now move to the buy side. Click the token selector in the bottom box to open the list again. Use the search bar and type keys. When keys appears, select it to set it as the token you'll receive. Take a moment to review the pair, making sure the top box shows the token you're selling and the bottom box shows keys. Before submitting, double-check the amount, the route, and the estimated network fee. If the market is moving quickly, you may see a slippage warning. That's normal on decentralized exchanges. Adjusting settings is optional, but aim for a quote you're comfortable with. When everything looks good, click Swap. A confirmation window will summarize the trade details one more time, including the rate and any protocol fees. Proceed to confirm, and your connected wallet will prompt you to authorize the transaction and pay the network gas fee. After you approve, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain for processing. Give it a moment to confirm. Once it's done, you'll see a success message in Uniswap, and your keys balance will update in your wallet or in the app's portfolio view. If you don't immediately see the token, you can refresh the page or view the transaction in your wallet's activity tab while the network finalizes. That's it. You've successfully bought keys on Uniswap. Revisit these steps anytime you want to swap again, and remember to keep an eye on fees and quotes so you always know what you're getting.